I am sitting at my computer as I do most mornings, and I just saw a post from a teacher that I'm connected with, teachers at a university. Let me read it to you. I just received 400 essays with the same sentences, the same structure, the same transitions, the same conclusions. Yeah, he's talking about AI. Nobody cheated. Nobody did anything wrong. It's just that AI uses the same formula all the time, and so the writing sounds the same all the time. There is a lot of debate about AI at the moment. I don't want to create more. I just want to highlight this issue because there are many people using AI as an excuse to avoid improving their English, particularly writing. We use language to communicate, to connect with people, to share our ideas. And if we are letting AI do that for us, we risk sounding common, like everyone else. That's not going to help us get our ideas to stand out, even if they're great ideas. So, should you use AI? I think you will, and I think that's fine. But I want to suggest this. Rather than letting AI do the talking for you, why don't you use AI to teach you how to talk for yourself?